Morning guys. We are not working on a Swamp Cat today. We are not working on a Stratos today. Today we're working on the Triton. Now we took her off the trailer this morning and got her jacked up because we have a Gelcoat issue. She's up off the ground, up off the trailer. And the reason it's up off the trailer is everywhere there were the bumps were sitting, the Gelcoat's peeling off. What Dave is doing over there on this side is scraping all the loose Gelcoat off the bottom, and then we're going to put total boat fairing on it and Gator Glide it with a Gator base and a Gator Glide. So this is going to be a long process, probably about 10 days to finish, but we'll bring you along for the ride. Y'all stick around. Well, we're back. We got all of the loose Gelcoat off the bottom before the rain started. By we, I mean Dave got it off. I was working on something else, and then once he got half of it done, I got the first coat of fairing compound on the port side that is almost ready to sand now. It's sandable in 2 to 4 hours. And now the rain has stopped, so I'm about to clean this side with acetone and then start putting it on. So yeah, this has been a fun day, but in 6 hours we've got a lot done, and I'm going to get busy with the rest of the fairing compound. Y'all stick around. Well, that's it for today, guys. We got it on the blocks. We got all the loose, cracked Gelcoat off. Everything cleaned up. Got it wiped down with acetone. I now have total boat fairing on the exposed areas of fiberglass. And tomorrow Dave's going to sand and tape it off. And hopefully Wednesday we start with the Gator base. It should be here. And we're going to do Gator base 5 coats and Gator Glide 5 coats 3 days later. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.